guys ready?
Does he have a mic or
Obviously.
Yeah.
is he gonna talk or? So if he doesn't
Guys,
talk,
don't
I'm
like
not
that
doing
thing.
the heist with him.
Wait, after this heist, do you guys want to do a roleplay?
Sure.
I don't care anymore.
Alright guys, so
Hello,
I'm
y'all
gonna
can hear
teach
me?
you how to make this outfit
Yeah, I
right
can
now.
hear you.
So, alright.
Hey, Monkey, you can hear me? Yeah, I can
So,
hear you.
go to pants, go to shorts, then go to number 31 to a white jogging
Everyone
shorts.
join my own session because I can't join your guys' school.
Alright, so like I was saying, so go to shorts, go to 31, which is white jogging shorts. Then go to t-shirts. Yeah, go to t-shirts and take off your t-shirt. Like no t-shirt, no top. Right? Then what you do is go to accessories, right? Then go to scarves. Now go to 16 and put on the white scarf. You could do the red scarf too, but you can do the white scarf. I'm gonna do it with the white scarf for now. So go to 16 and then go down to gloves and go to 48, which is black fingerless gloves. Right. Then when look. So I'm gonna do look. So no, it's not this.
You looking for anything special?
Oh. Alright, so let me do this now. My bad. So go all the way down to 31. There's 31. So that's the white jogging shorts. Then go to tops. Go to tops. And then go to t-shirts and pick on a t-shirt, then take it off, and you should see that you should have no t-shirt on.
Over
Right.
here if need be.
So then you go over here to accessories, and you go to scarves first. You could do the red one or the white one. I'm gonna do the white one right now. So go to white scarf. Then you go down to gloves and you go to 48, which is black fingerless gloves, right? Exit that. We're gonna do all the clothes in here. Right? So, go to shoes. Then go to sport shoes. Scroll all the way down until you find the all white with the socks. Where is it? Right here, all white athletic shoes.
Hand, okay?
So, yeah. Then, what you gotta do is go to accessories, right? Wait, no, not accessories. Where's the hats at? Oh, over there. So, go to hats. Hats, right? What's the name again? So go to hats, go to black broker, snapback, and cat sword. Then make sure you equip it. Look, I'm gonna call up my car.
Yeah, just have a look around. Okay.
Right, Let me call him my car.
I'm on.
Hair and all of that too. So what you wanna do? Where's the gun store? Perfect parking. So then you go to a gear in the gun shop, and then you go to your breather. So I already have one. So it should look like this. So go to style, go to gear, and go to rebreather, right? Rebreather. Now go back to the close stop.
Eternal bleeding. I feel it.
Perfect parking. Then you should have all of this
What's up,
on.
amigo?
Right. So you should have the rebreather on. Then go back to that. Like, you gotta go to the store. You can't do it on the inventory.
Hope you
So
find
go back
it,
to black.
I guess.
Come on, hurry up.
There's like lots of stuff everywhere.
Hello? Yeah, this is him.
Put on the
Why do you keep calling me? I thought we settled this. I sent it online. Bye, and quit calling me.
Black broker snapback, and then you should see this, and there you have it with the outfit. But now I'm gonna show you the face paint and the
I'm
dreads.
sorry.
So you can get the black and red dreads. perfect parking. Already know. So when you have all this stuff on,
You looking to get a haircut?
then you go to
What do you have in mind?
what's the name of it? The barbershop. You gotta get a makeover, the hairstyles, go to dreads, which is 15, then press square for hot. No, not the box on the controller, which is pink. And then you go to, so you press R1 until you get all the way to these dreads. These dark dreads right here, these light dark dreads. And then you press R2 until you get to these, the black dreads. You can do it with the blue ones. Like you can do different type of colors. So yeah. Then you go to, I think it's makeup. Yeah, eye makeup. Then you go to number 27, 26, which is devastated. And this is how it looks. And yeah, put the capacity all the way on 100%, and there, you're done. It's the whole
Come
outfit.
back anytime.
And then you can save that outfit. Then you could go back to the clothes shop and save that outfit. I could look. This is my yeah.
Trying to get my friend to join, but he won't.
Alright, bro, I'm back. I had to make a YouTube video. Alright, so bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, see you later.